The weirdest story that I was ever a part of was 3 a.m. I'm in an emergency shift. 3 a.m. I'm in an emergency shift, and this guy comes in saying that a small piece of wood, like a splinter, has entered his urethra.
सुन के दर्द हो रही है पता है
क्या दर्द हो गया?
Okay, so then how did it come out finally?
He had to prep for surgery.
Okay, okay. It's not like you're like,
ये सुन के मुझे दर्द हुआ.
ये बता रहा था सारे लड़कों ने टांगे ऐसे कर ली मैं सोच रहा हूँ वीडियो भी है क्या उसका
Every time I come on the show, I realize all my comedian friends what type of porn they like watching. There's always a reveal, you know. Just
This
so
is a
nice
very
to know
specific
everyone.
genre.
how you been, man? Where are you at in your
It was very good 5 minutes ago. We have been asked if we are interested in another person.
man?
Yeah.
No one ever asks me and my wife.
तू आके स्टेज पे बोल देगा ना
Asked me, yeah. So we were having conversations, and they said that, oh, would you be interested in exploring something like that? And that's when I realized, oh, this thing is happening. This thing is
Wait,
out there.
Can I ask you more questions about like what was the setting? Were you at Big Bazaar? They were like, ये दही के साथ 150 ग्राम और फ्री और आप लोग का सीन क्या है?
No. Thankfully not. But
So how was what was the setting?
we were at a party. It was a friend of a friend, and we were having really nice conversations. So the conversation went to this place.
Right.
Where this is where relationships are at these days. So many people are exploring different things. And it took us some time to understand that, oh, this is where things
Oh.
are now. Idea was very interesting to me that we are reaching a place where such relationships can happen.
Right.
And that's not the kind of attitude we grew up with. Like, you know, in our college days and all, we didn't even think about anything like
I
this.
mean, we thought about it.
Now I know Ronald's porn collection.
Y'all said no together.
Yeah.
I feel like if somebody puts both of y'all in a spot and y'all have not discussed it, if one person says yes by mistake, right? I would say कि if the person asking should say, hey, तुम्हारे पास 30 minutes है.
The best is to do that corporate meeting thing where we will circle back to this and leave it at that.
नहीं ये नहीं कर सकते जैसे ही तुमने कहा कि हम सोच के बताएंगे इसका मतलब है तू तो हरामी है तेरा हाँ है बीवी से पूछना है तेरे को
Yeah.
ऐसे है ना कि
हाँ
अगर
बोला, हाँ।
अब मेरे को कोई पूछे मेरी बीवी साथ में बैठी और मैं कहूँ हम बात करके बताएंगे अरे सोफा थोड़ा ना ले रहे
I am very glad I didn't do that.
What if we do it as this? What if we do it as actually no. One second. What? One second. I think one second. Can you excuse both of us for one second?
But then what is interesting is that we are at that age where we've still not given up on the romance.
हाँ
But we can see that eventually we will have to get to that place where we are just Netflix and chilling, where it's mainly Netflix and less chill. And right now we're in that phase where, wait, what else can we do?
गिव अप देखो हमारी जनरेशन में गिव अप मार के तुम देखो हमारी जनरेशन हम लोग एक दूसरे को अवॉइड करने के लिए क्या क्या कर रहे हैं मैराथन देखो सब बुड्ढे ही भाग रहे हैं अगर बीवी भाग रही है तो हस्बैंड नहीं भाग रहा हस्बैंड भाग रहा है तो बीवी नहीं भाग रही एक जना घर पे सो रहा है हम दोनों में से तो अब हम उस स्टेज पे जहां पे हम में से एक जना रोमांटिक हो जाए तो दूसरे को शक हो जाता है कि कुछ तो कांड हुआ है हमारे रिलेशनशिप में चीटिंग का मतलब है उसने 2 एपिसोड मेरे बगैर देख लिए
Oh, what show is it?
हम देखते रहते क्योंकि हमारे नेटफ्लिक्स चलता रहता है ताकि हमें एक दूसरे से बात ना करनी पड़े
Netflix and not chill.
हाँ नहीं नेटफ्लिक्स से तभी तक चिल है तो अदरवाइज तो हम ऐसे ही फिक्स करके चलते हैं कि हमारे घर में 2 ही लोग होने चाहिए या मैं और शांति या सोनल और शांति
Got it.
मैं और सोनल है तो फिर शांति नहीं हो सकती
Shanti is peace, right?
या
Yeah.
ऑफ कोर्स मेड का नाम नहीं है हमारी देखो 15-20 साल बाद यही होता है ये आधी शादियां 15-20 साल बाद आलस में ही चल रही हैं कि अब कौन दोबारा पेपर वर्क करेगा यार। देखो हमने सारी मार्केट देख ली है, हमको वैसे भी पता है कि सारा ही माल डिफेक्टिव है, तो कोई फायदा नहीं है दोबारा ढूंढने का भी।
ये तो कस्टम फिटिंग हो चुका है
हाँ।
इतने टाइम के बाद।
हाँ अब यहाँ तो डिफेक्ट पता है ना। देखो आई एम नॉट शोइंग ऑफ बट माई डॉटर गॉट ऑल A stars in her 12th standard, so
Cheers.
But and your son is also good.
हाँ he is doing fairly well. So, like
We know जायदाद के नाम जा रहे हैं guys.
दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे। दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे। दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे।
I go on the app and I think everyone who's on the app is searching for the same thing, right? But they're not, right? I am searching for a relationship and they
Yeah.
are searching for casual, open, poly, orgy, everything. And I cannot keep up, okay?
And I'm usually on Amazon Fresh for groceries.
Exactly. I mean, recently I was talking to this guy, nighttime wala, you know, जो instant match होता है, instantly you start typing and instantly attraction happens and you're just like, oh my god, this is going somewhere and everything. And then after like 2.5 hours of talking now, तो मैंने तो सपने बनाने शुरू कर लिए, right? कि him and me in our new bed, in our new home. बाजू में, we're talking quietly because बाजू में सास ससुर है, whatever types. Okay, and then eventually it reached a point where he was like, so what are you looking for in this, you know, app? So I dropped the C word on him. I was like, commitment. And I'm like, what are you looking for? He also dropped the C word, casual. I was like, Sale. But I was still like open to getting into the relationship because I was like, I will fix him. No. हाँ, I am that toxic girl. Like, तू एक बार मेरे साथ कर तो सही. Like, you see how I'll change you, boy. But he was very respectful, okay? There only I got a shock. Boy and respectful and all. Like, he's being all like, Arey, I totally get it. You don't change your decision. You do you, girl. Abhi, I will only have to do myself if you don't come into my life. Annoying piece of shit. You do me, no? Why should I do me? Why am I on the fucking app? It's so annoying. And I was like, okay, if I don't fix him, he can fix me. Maybe he'll convince me to be casual. Huh? Like, हमारे वो bed पे initially when he said he's casual, I already imagined like 5 other girls with us. You know, like, yeah, maybe I'll get convinced because yeah, I'm flexible, like Seema auntie says. You know, I'm open. मुझे भी
Yeah.
सीखना है यार.
We need Simani to say that. She has too many demands. She wants monogamy.
Yeah. Is it too much to ask for monogamy, guys? Thank you.
Okay, but I want to hear the other side. There are some people who are saying it's too much to ask for monogamy. Who's like, "Abey, stop asking for monogamy. We want 8-10 people on the bed."
ये कौन सा बेड है जहाँ पे 10 लोग पूरे आ रहे हैं?
I'll tell you what.
कौन सा कहाँ है? और बॉम्बे में तो नहीं हो सकता। बॉम्बे में सारा कमरा नहीं है इस साइज का।
हॉल में रद्दी
अबे
बिछा के.
मैं बॉम्बे में ब्रोकर था, so I've seen 10 people ask for a 1 BHK.
तू किस टाइप का ब्रोकर था? मुझे लग रहा था प्रॉपर्टी बेचता है। कौन से घर दिखा रहा है? ये देखो सर,
ये देखो
ये
सर.
यहाँ पे एक बेड पे 10 लोग पूरे आ जाते हैं।
इस कोने में ये सब पोसेस कर सकते हो.
सर आप यहाँ पे अपनी नीज रखोगे, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ एक सेकंड.
सर ये है लोधा का और जी टावर।
Is this a problem with like? Is that do you have friends who are like your age who are doing all these kind of things like swinging and stuff?
Oh Lord,
Really?
Lord, I've heard a lot of
वो
stories.
swinger
I know a lot.
parties thing is a thing that.
So-
अरे वो
Darby
keychain
डालो,
and all of that.
keychain.
हाँ, I've
parties.
heard a
Do
lot
you all
of
ever get
those.
invited?
नहीं.
I have.
You all never got asked, right? So
No.
Yeah.
Never got it.
And both of you all said no immediately. Fuck, man. मेरे को पूछ anybody wants to ask.
Is the answer no for sure though?
Yeah, the answer is no. But I want to feel like a hot girl, you know. Minus.
I didn't know that's all it took to be a hot girl. I have been adding instead of subtracting. This is my fault.
I'm offended कि मेरे को तो बहनचोद invite नहीं करना. Like, you know, you want to say no maybe, right? But invite तो दो.
Yeah, like go and then take a new car and bounce. Why?
Okay, the keychain thing. Can you just explain what is the keychain?
So the keychain thing is all the guys they
Old
put
South
their,
Bombay party.
I'm talking about Ludhiana. I'm not talking about South Bombay.
Oh,
मैं लुधियाना का पता है मुझे कि in a basket they'll put all their keychains of their cars and then वो every woman will pick up one keychain and जिसकी गाड़ी की चाबी है वो
Yeah,
you
that's-
sleep with that.
so the husband is just waiting in the car.
I don't know the process.
So all the wives just pick up a key and then they go to the. They press unlock.
The parking
और वो-
lot is just a new EDM song.
Yeah.
Pew, 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 pew.
Just a bunch of women.
There are 4 wives outside. तू पीपी बंद करेगी तो मेरा मिलेगा ना. Is there like a neuroscience about this? Monogamy and open relationships and stuff.
So open relationships has always been a thing in society. It was never not a thing. It's just that अभी the conversation has reached a level where हम लोग कैमरा के सामने हंस के बात कर रहे हैं इसके बारे में. पहले तो ऐसा था नहीं.
Yeah.
Right. It was always there was a line. Society has always been open monogamy, clandestine adultery. Right?
Clandestine is?
Clandestine adultery मतलब चुप चुप के.
चुप चुप के.
Oh, okay.
मतलब बाहर से
हाँ.
monogamy, चुप चुप के adultery has always been the norm.
You
हाँ
know,
नहीं.
there's another thing about this. I have friends who are in like exclusive monogamous, what seems on Instagram as
Huh.
very, very serious relationships. And then they go out and they say, ki, oh, it is not clandestine. We have an open relationship. That is our understanding. But then I understood that only this guy thinks. And she has no clue.
Yeah, so this has always been there, and the neuroscience is very easy to understand. कि हम लोग को हमेशा exploration करने का मन करता ही है. We have that urge to explore.
Vasco da Gama.
Vasco da Gama.
My
Exactly.
favorite quote from him.
It's just that now we have all these terms justifying it, describing it.
Yeah.
कि पहले polyam का term था ही नहीं.
Okay.
पहले सिर्फ cheating या non-cheating. Is it cheating if neither of the people feel cheated?
Oh.
That's the thing.
This is me after eating 2 burgers. I'm like, if I don't feel cheated. I didn't cheat on my dad.
Yeah.
But the story of polyam is so interesting because अभी Reddit में सब शुरू होता है, ठीक है? Twitter, Instagram में तो 10-15 साल के बाद आता है. Reddit में everything starts in Reddit. So in Reddit there is this whole subreddit on polyam, and there is something called polycule.
Oh.
अब ये physics सब हो रहा है, मैं जा रही
Not
हूँ.
physics. You're
Yeah.
thinking molecule. नहीं नहीं नहीं.
Yeah.
Polycule.
Yeah, it's when kids are in open relationship.
No. Okay, moment
should have
silence
gone.
for that joke. No, a polycule is when if you and your partner are with other people and everybody is involved with one another.
Orgy becomes a relationship.
Everybody is in a relationship with everybody. So it becomes
Guys,
like an
क्या
open
बोलते
का
हो?
open.
हाँ? Polycule.
तो polycule मतलब 4 होंगे कि 4 minimum.
Minimum.
अच्छा, then you can do 35.
Raised to n.
Oh, in 90s that was called joint family.
I am 30F. My girlfriend is 26. I just moved into her house. My favorite spot was the rocking chair in her living room. We've had some good times there. The chair is rocking in 2 ways.
It's your boy Michelle Obama. I have a few quick announcements. First, I'm writing a new stand-up solo show for which I will be doing a bunch of trial shows. Some on Zoom, some live in Mumbai for now. The tickets for these shows are in the pinned comment or on ronakrajani.in. It's going to be a trial show. Whatever happens, happens. We're just going to try out new jokes and I will try making sweet love to your mother. I'm doing shows in UK and Amsterdam later on this year. Tickets are on ronakrajani.in. Merchandise for the show. It's a Stay Toxic t-shirt and a Stay Toxic hoodie. Buy it from the link in the pinned comment. If you are a brand that wants to sponsor my show, my very intellectual show, hit me up. Okay, and finally, as you already know, I have shot my stand-up special. Would you want to watch it in 3 parts of 20-25 minutes each? Or would you want to watch it as a whole thing? Say the truth. Don't just say what you think that, oh yeah, मैं शायद 1 घंटा देख ही लूँगा, and then don't fucking watch and then have me waste the effort. If smaller content is more consumable, then tell me that. Okay? Smaller content is more consumable. That's what your mom said to me.
We've had
got
some
that visual.
good times there. The chair is rocking in 2 ways. Now that I moved in, my gift to her was going to be another rocking chair, exactly like this one, so that we would rock together.
I feel like she's ruining this.
ये क्या बैंड है? ये 75 की एज में करते हैं कि दोनों जने अलग अलग चेयर पे बैठे हैं.
Next birthday पे knitting set आ रहा है.
So I decided to surprise her and find the exact piece, and on further detective giri, I found out that the rocking chair I love so much was a gift from her ex. She probably never told me to protect my feelings. But I can't live here now knowing that this space was once shared by an ex-lover who has hurt me so much. What do I do?
Her.
Her ex-lovers hurt her by existing.
पहले तो rocking chair सैनिटाइजर से साफ करो.
For multiple reasons.
But if he has a problem with the rocking chair,
हाँ,
I mean, the,
She.
so
They're
then,
lesbian couple.
oh.
Yeah. Now it makes sense what they're doing. Now you know why they need two.
rocking.
Can you read the full thing again? I need to visualize it again.
Now I know what kind of porn he enjoys. What is happening?
Are we sure that the rocking chair was not just innocent rocking?
What else do you think?
So जब वो इतनी बातें कर रही है रॉकिंग चेयर की, दूसरी खरीद भी रही है, अभी भी तुझे लग रहा है उस पर कुछ नहीं हो रहा, चाय पी रहे हैं वो बैठ के. पर इसमें वैसे भी प्रॉब्लम, मतलब see when in a relationship like this, तो शक भी करना मुश्किल है ना कि तुम्हारे यहाँ पे इतना लंबा बाल किसके, अरे मेरा ही है.
अरे you know मेरे साथ वो दिन हुआ था. My wife and I were eating in the car at Shiv Sagar. So they came and gave us food in the car. And I'm eating, मतलब you know those Shiv Sagar Udupi type pizza we're eating. और मेरे बाल में लंबा बाल निकला. So I called the waiter. I was like, ये क्या है बॉस? छी यार, मैं कुछ पैसे नहीं भरने वाला हूँ. And he was like, हमारे यहाँ पे कोई औरत काम नहीं करती है. And Hannah was like, please keep quiet. It's probably mine.
आपके यहाँ सेक्सिज्म चल रहा है, मैं फिर भी बिल नहीं देने वाला हूँ.
She can just break the chair.
Break the chair.
जब भी met it.
अरे अगले साल होली पे जला लो,
Put it.
बेस्ट है.
Yeah. खिड़की खोलो. ए वाओ. 4 बच्चे सर्कल करे. What? She moved into her house, is it?
हाँ, एक तो उसके घर एहसान फरामोश एक्चुअली
Full. I agree.
पूरा
Because she made it all
हाँ,
about herself.
उसके घर पे रह रही है और फिर उसी की चेयर से प्रॉब्लम है तुमको.
वही.
Yeah.
हाँ, वैसे भी लव मेकिंग में आंख बंद कर लो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Yeah. ये तो धरती पे करो ना.
धरती.
Yeah.
शांति धरती. This keeps on.
Unless she thinks
हाँ
कि इतने टाइम पे the time that they spent together
हाँ.
was her girlfriend thinking of her ex.
Yeah.
Must be.
Neurological.
Must be.
And ये तो फिर बेड पे भी हो सकता है, सोफे पे भी हो सकता है, कहीं भी हो सकता है, किचन में भी हो सकता है.
Yeah.
अरे कुछ भी फर्नीचर खुद से नहीं खरीदा क्या?
Yeah. You should ask her what all has your ex gifted you, and then what have you bought? And she's like, I bought the oven. ठीक है, oven पे sex कर.
That's a kind of porn I would watch.
What is the solution here? The solution is I
A, break the chair.
break the chair.
नहीं, पहले पता करो है कितने की. अब 1 लाख रुपए की कुर्सी है तो थोड़ा न तोड़ोगे.
हाँ, sell
फिर
it.
तो मम्मी भी आके डांटेगी तुम्हारी
Yeah.
कि बेटा हमको दे देते, मम्मा पापा ही कर लेते रॉकिंग.
बीच में cigarette रख के.
हाँ.
I think it's justified how she feels.
No, I don't like her already.
So it's fair to be a little insecure. Na? I would be insecure.
You'd be
I
insecure.
would be insecure. Why not, dude? Why, how can you have an ex before me?
She should be more neurological and sell the chair.
Yeah.
Get that money, upholster the new ones so that it looks different, create new memories and perform way better and just use it to be like competitive and just be like, दिखा के रखूंगी आई, scissor करके दिखा.
नहीं इतनी खुंदक नहीं, रॉकिंग चेयर है, उलट गई ना.
I feel they should have such crazy sex on the OG rocking chair कि they break that while having sex. That is
आई थिंक बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन.
moment.
एक तो वो लेजी बॉय वाली आती है, वो भी रॉकिंग चेयर आती है,
Yeah.
पर उसमें तो सो ही जाओगे.
Lazy boy है तो कहीं नहीं जा रहा है.
Yeah, because they're a lesbian couple. They don't want a lazy
हाँ.
boy.
लेजी बॉय वाली तो एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छी है. मतलब वो तो तुम ऐसे वो पूरा खुल भी जाती है एंड
उसमें
इट
तो
स्टिल रॉक्स.
इनबिल्ट वाइब्रेशन भी आता है. I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
ये डॉक्टर साहब कहीं और कहीं है.
I'm just saying some of the models have that option. That's all I'm saying.
Okay, chair models.
They're models. I'm 29M. My love language is gifting. I work hard for the money I make. And if I know you like something and I love you, I will make sure to get it for you and more.
Wow, ये ले rocking chair और तेरी ex.
The problem is, I have gotten a reputation of someone who buys gifts to spoil his girlfriend. उसने कितने गर्लफ्रेंड को दिया? अच्छा, रेपुटेशन बन गया इसका. ये शुगर डैडी आ रहा है, शुगर डैडी आ रहा है. And I end up attracting those who only want me for my money.
Oh,
And he's 29.
oh.
How to attract girls who want me for my heart?
Can I get his number?
I should have paused.
पर ये क्या सारी लड़कियां इकट्ठी हो रखी हैं कि वो वाला जो मुकेश है ना, वो गिफ्ट देता है. पहले मैं 3 चीजें ले लूं, फिर उसके बाद तू चले जाना. ये थोड़ा ये हो रहा है क्या?
वही हो रहा है.
So if it's like oh उसका phone खराब है, ये ले iPhone 256 GB, and then she's like oh thanks. मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ, मैंने 4 लिए and now this is all together 1 TB. Yeah, it's the Agni Pariksha of gold diggers.
देखो अपना सर्कल तो लिमिटेड ही रहेगा ना, तो उसके अंदर तो एक बार बन गई रेपुटेशन. पर ऐसी सेल्फिश लड़कियों वाला ही क्यों इसने बनाया हुआ सर्कल? थोड़ा ढूंढ के बनाए.
Selfish की बात नहीं,
Yeah.
gold diggers are the most like nicest set of people, most loyal.
Right.
Because तुम एज हो जाओ, तुम्हारा एक हाथ वाथ निकल, as long as the money is there, they're with you.
They're with you.
हाँ, that's
That's not true love. What is?
what is. हाँ, tell me.
Yeah.
एक और चीज है कि अगर तू उस लड़की से प्यार करता है तो तुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि वो किस चीज के लिए तेरे साथ रिलेशनशिप में है.
But
If your love is like
देना भी है गिफ्ट, and if she appreciates also, he's like अरे अरे appreciate किया, उसको गिफ्ट चाहिए, साली कमीनी तेरे को गिफ्ट चाहिए, तू दे रहा है, मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ा रहा है, तो मैं लूंगी ना, मुझे चाहिए गिफ्ट, मैं लूंगी.
So he's buying gifts for these girls, but he's also not able to keep them.
Right.
तो मतलब और भी कुछ तो इशू है ना.
Correct. He needs to buy. What he wants is a woman who says, "छी पर मुझे तो तू इंसान पसंद था." ये क्या तूने मैकबुक दे दिया? छी। या मैं तो तुझ पे ही वीडियोस एडिट करने वाली थी।
Start investing in stocks in behalf of the girlfriend's name. If the breakup happens, the stock stays with him. If it doesn't happen,
तूने अपना सीए बुलाया था आज। सब जब वो बताएगा ना, वो लड़की कहेगी ये रख 50,000 रुपए, तो किसी और को ढूंढ ले। मैं म्यूचुअल फंड में डालूंगा, फिर मैं शेयर में डालूंगा, फिर
Yeah.
तुझे तब मिलेंगे जब हमारी रिलेशनशिप मैच्योर हो जाएगी।
या
तभी होगी ये एफडी मैच्योर।
क्या बात है, असली पोएट्री तो इधर है।
हाँ।
But this is not new again. पहले से ही whatever we have, we will show. There's a word, signaling.
ओके।
This has always been the case. Signaling होता ही है. It's not just humans. Animals में भी signaling होता है. Peacock will show its feathers.
राइट।
Whatever you have, you will show to attract.
When a peacock is showing you feathers, it's like, yeah, okay, I'll have sex with
Trying
you.
to
Yeah.
attract its own partner, not.
Okay, yeah.
Same.
I was thinking, मैंने तो उसको ना बोल दिया यार, should have. I just don't know how to read signs. हाँ.
So the problem here is,
हाँ.
he feels that the only way he can signal is by gifting the girls.
Maybe he can start small so that then that person will stay longer. So
हाँ,
like,
सिर्फ चार्जर दे दिया पहले आईफोन का।
slowly build a set.
That's actually very useful. Apple तो देता नहीं है.
हाँ।
Start with greeting card. And
Yeah.
slowly, then handmade greeting card. Then
Correct.
Correct. Mixtape.
mixtape.
Yeah.
आजकल mixtape तो कोई
Mixer.
बनाता ही नहीं है ना. Spotify.
नहीं, पहले मिक्सटेप दे दी, फिर उसका प्लेयर दे दिया अगली बार ना।
Correct.
क्योंकि वो वैसे तो मिल नहीं रहा मार्केट में।
लास्ट एनिवर्सरी से ऐसे सुन रही है।
नहीं, दूसरा ये है ना कि अब मतलब अगर ये गिफ्ट दे रहा है, इसने ये नहीं बताया कि सामने वाले मतलब वो लड़की भी कोई गिफ्ट विफ्ट दे रही है कि नहीं दे रही।
करेक्ट, करेक्ट।
वेदर इट इज
They should gift him personality development classes.
हाँ।
And
So what are the other ways that people do signaling? The women here, can you all tell us what do you all think? What are the other ways that men try to signal? Talking?
Talking.
Talking.
I mean, it technically is, but
yeah, it is
What-
signaling you to run away. The opposite direction.
Showing off wealth is one. Is there like a women?
Eye fucking.
I fucking?
Yeah.
What?
They do na across the
What?
party, across the hall. कितने हो गए फक्का?
So it's like both eye fucking, or it's like
हाँ, that has to happen. You need two eyes
Stare.
for the. Like any type of fucking, you need a pair of.
stare. आज full moon है. Can we eye fuck it? Signaling is like showing off. This is what I'm good at, right?
No, you're like signaling is
Signaling-
you're showing someone you're interested in them, or like subtle ways of touching.
Okay.
Like ऐसे waist को. Oh, sorry. Film theater में हाथ पकड़ लिया, or just finger fucking. Like it's all like all the other organ fucking slowly
Yeah.
leads to like.
Okay. Everything is a fucking. I went to the doctor and he was nose fucking me. He was like, "Beta jeep दिखाओ." Actually, that jeep दिखाओ is a fucking. Right?
I love how.
I can't put this online, yaar.
Okay, take this O and put it somewhere else.
nailed it.
They're very like, just to chase you. They become a simp. Like,
They
Sim,
chase you.
हाँ.
They're very agreeable. A simp is someone who's like, मैं तेरे लिए कुछ भी करूँगा. Correct? And that's frowned upon or not frowned upon? Depends on if he's hot or not. Fair,
Yes.
fair,
On behalf
yeah,
of all the women.
नहीं, प्लस वो भी है ना, मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ भी करूंगा, कहने का तरीका भी है ना। एक इस मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ भी करूंगा, then it's a problem, right?
Yeah.
Of course.
Hey, you okay, Harald? Blink twice if you're feeling unsafe.
How many times do I have to blink if I'm feeling turned on?